Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Neha and today we are going to practice 15th day of our 21 days yoga challenge. Yes, it's hard to believe that days are really flying so super fast. We have completed 14 days of session so far. But today's session is kindly related to yesterday's session. So if you have not seen the practice of 14th day, kindly practice 14th day and then get into 15th. Basically today's practice. Alright, so before we start, I want you to subscribe my channel and click a bell icon right next to it. And also you can follow me on Instagram with the ID of Yoga for Cure. So let's get started. So when you start, sit in any comfortable posture, spine straight, close your eyes, take your entire focus on the lower back and your hip joint and your thighs. Deep breathe in, deep breathe out. Deep breathe in and deep breathe out. Slowly open your eyes. Interlock your both the fingers, stretch it out. Push your shoulders out to the right, to the left. Inhale and exhale. Center, up. Keep both the hands down next to the knee. Now, just try to gather the energy and try to lift your knees up through using your stomach, your core engagement. Now, inhale up, down. Very simple. Just you have to drop your hands down, majorly your fingers, and you have to lift your knee up. Toes on the floor, down. Inhale up, exhale down. It is just for you to feel active. If you are just up and if you want to practice yoga, this is just to activate you. Now from here, both the hands, both the wrist in straight line. Your wrist and knee and your toe gonna be in straight line. Inhale, look up, open up your chest. Exhale forward. Inhale up. And exhale down, push the floor away from you. Inhale up and exhale down. Take your one palm ahead and just lift your heels once again. Forward, back, forward, back, forward, back. Now adjust your body accordingly. From here, if you can, go down through Chaturanga. From here, go down, come up to Bhujanga. If you think Chaturanga is quite difficult, what you can do, instead of going down through Chaturanga, you can drop your knee down and just down. From here, slide your chest up. Open up your shoulder, don't try to kill your neck. You can feel a good deep stretch in your back. Now inhale and exhale. Look to the other side. Look at your heels. Now tuck your toe in. Come to full plank. Okay. Now get your right leg next to the right palm. We have done something very similar yesterday, but not the exact same thing. So I asked you to practice 14th day first and then get into 15th. Now drop your left knee down, toe pointing out. So when you drop your knee down and you turn your toe pointing out, you get to open up your chest. Try not to push your knee out. Try to keep your knee 90 degree. Look forward. Take up a few breaths. Take your focus on your lower back. So try not to lift your hip up. Try to keep your hip down. So you can see that your spine is really down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Tuck your toe in. Take your leg back to full plank. Other side, left leg next to the left palm outside. Knee straight, Open up your chest and then drop your knee down, toe pointing out. Open up your chest. So the moment you open up your chest, you can feel a kind of a deep stretch in your hip. So just let it go, let your hip go down as far as possible. Open up your chest, look forward. Keep your both the hands stable on the floor, your foot comfortable. Look forward, hold. 5. Continue to breathe long. 4, 3, 2, 1. Tuck your toe in, lift your knee up, leg back to full plank. Now the choice is yours whether to go down through Chaduranga or Ashtanga. So go down, Chaduranga, through Bhujanga. Inhale and exhale. Now look at the right heel and the left. Right and the left. Come to center. Tuck your toe in. Come to full plank. Now get your right leg next palm next to the right palm and the left leg next to the left palm outside. And now you're going to drop your hip down and come to Malasana. Adjust your heels accordingly. Push your toe out. Lift your spine up. Push your both the knee out. Using your elbow, lift up your spine. If this is difficult for you, because I have seen a lot of people find it too hard to go down on your heels. So you can lift your heels up, keep your hands down, adjust yourself. If you can lift your heel up, we can do this as well. Only if you are not able to drop your heel down completely. If you can drop your heel down completely, adjust yourself, lift your spine up and then push your knee out. Lengthen your spine. Long breathe in, long breathe out. Take your entire focus on the hip joint, your shoulder, your lower spine, your thighs. You can just feel the difference. All you have to do is you have to maintain this posture. You have to slow down your breath. Observe any changes you find. 3, 2, 1. Slowly drop your palm down. Now you just have to lift your heel up, but make sure that you're not lifting your palm even by ½ inch. Something like this. Inhale up. See, you're gonna go up only till here. You're not lifting your hand even by ½ inch. Entire palm is down. Your knee slightly bent down. Up, down, up. Hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and relax. It is raining right now. I don't think so I can continue, but I think so far it is good. So practice this much and try to finish the sequence with a bit of pranayama and meditation. So practice this and write your experience. Please repeat this sequence at least 2 to 3 times more and hold each asana, each posture for at least 5 counts. So keep practicing. I'll see you tomorrow. And the weather is really lovely, but unfortunately I cannot continue the practice right now. See you tomorrow. Let's go.